Welcome. If you want to make sure you see other messaging notifications on Snapchat as pop-ups, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable this feature on your phone. First, open your phone's main settings app. Once there, scroll down and tap on Apps to view the list of your installed applications. Find and select Snapchat from this list. Next, tap on Notifications within the Snapchat app settings. Here, you will see different notification options to control how Snapchat alerts you. Now, look for and tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks down notifications into specific types so you can customize them separately. Under the category labeled Other Messaging, find Silent Notifications and tap on it. Silent notifications often don't make a sound or show alerts by default. Finally, toggle on the option labeled Show as Pop-up. Enabling this will allow notifications from other messaging activities on Snapchat to appear as pop-up alerts right on your screen, helping you stay instantly informed without having to open the app. That's it. Just follow these simple steps and you'll start receiving pop-up notifications for all other messaging alerts on Snapchat, making sure you never miss an important message again. Thanks for watching.